Okay, so summoning my legions again. You see them coming. You see them following me. This is called summoning the legions, working with vultures and the spiritual world at the same time. When you are the source, which means you are connected to the universe through animals, spirits, you can combine them together and you can use them for protection and healing. And as you see, they're still following. I have to run so you can see the other side. What it looks like with all the vultures. So remember, I was just on the other side of the building summoning my legions. Well, like I said, here they are. Turkey vulture form. So when they fly over, they are protecting. And they are taking out all the negative shit through spiritual form and through vultures, which technically Anubis, which is the Egyptian god, is the one that protects everybody. Thank you, Anubis. And you see, the vultures are still coming. Now, when you are the source and you work with both entities and animals together, it's pretty fucking badass. Because not very many people can do this that I know of. And if you can do this, practice. Because eventually, when the world comes to the end, you will need animals in your life to survive. Think about that. They're so beautiful. And like I said, they follow me everywhere I go. When you are the source, when you're actually connected to the universe and animals, you're able to do this. Hi guys, I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. And as you see, they fly down over top of me, which represents that I'm part of their flock. And they know that this is part of my family. So they protect them. Doesn't matter where you live, vultures are everywhere. Spirits do not use doors, obviously. So, like I said, always be kind and compassionate. And animals, including wild animals, will want to work with you and help you make this world a better place. Bye, my beautiful vultures. Thank you. So, like I said, always treat everyone, with animals and people, with respect, love, and kindness. And eventually, you will get that back. Even if people are mean to you. Still be the shiny, bright star that you are. Have a good day.